coming in, Rachel. It's great to meet you.
Sounds
I'll
it's
give you
great
a
to
call
meet
the
you.
next
I
few
will give you
days.
a call in
Sounds
next three
good.
days.
I look
Sounds
forward
good.
to it.
I'm
Thanks
looking
again.
forward to
My
this
pleasure.
episode again. My pleasure.
Notice that the
Notice
interview
that the
ends with
interview
another
ends with
handshake.
another handshake.
You may have some more
You may
small
have
talk
some
at the
small
end of the
talk
interview
at
as
the end
well.
of the interview as well.
Hopefully, by the end
Hopefully,
of the
by the
interview,
end of
you
the
feel
interview,
more
you feel
comfortable
more
and
comfortable
confident
and
than you did when
confident
you
than you
arrived.
did when you arrived.
Today, we'll discuss
Today,
things
we
like
will
body
discuss things like
language,
body language,
humor, and
humor,
expression,
and
and how to
expression,
use them
and
to your
how to use
advantage
them
in
to
an
your
interview.
advantage in your
First,
interviews.
let's look at the
First, let's
complete mock
complete
interview for the
market
series.
interview
What do you
for this
notice
series.
about
What do
how
you
I
notice
present
about how I
myself
present
and the
myself
interviewer?
and the interviewer?
What do our
What do
postures
our
and facial
posture
expressions
and
say to
facial
you?
expressions say to you?
Hello, Miss Smith. I'm Tom
Hello, Mrs.
Kelly. Thanks
Smith.
so much
I'm
for coming
Concrete.
in.
Thanks so
It's
much
my
for
pleasure.
coming.
Thanks
It's
so
my
much for
pleasure. Thanks
meeting with
so
Of
me.
much for meeting
course.
with
Did
me.
you
Of
have any
course.
trouble finding
Did you
me?
have any troubles
Nope, the
finding our office?
directions on the
No, the
website
direction
were
on the
great.
website are
Good.
ready.
Would you
Good.
like some water or
Would you
coffee
like some
before we
water or
begin?
coffee before
I'm
you begin?
okay, thank
I'm
you.
okay,
All
thank you.
right.
All right.
So, to get
So,
started,
to get
why don't you
started,
tell me a little
what
bit
do
about
you tell
yourself?
me
Sure.
about a little bit about
I
yourself?
studied at the
Sure. I
University of
studied at the
Florida
University of
and
Florida
graduated in
and
2010
graduated
with
in
a master's
2020 with a
degree in toy
master's
design.
degree in toy
After
design.
graduation,
After
I was hired
graduation,
at
I was
Happy
hired
Kids
at Happy
Creative.
Kid Creative.
I've been there for the
I've
past
been there
5
for past
years
five
and am
years and
currently the director of
currently
toy
the director
production.
of toy
During that
production.
time,
During that
sales have
time,
grown
sales
steadily.
grew
It's been a
steadily.
great
It's
experience,
been a
but
great
I ran out
experience,
of
but
room to
I ran out
grow
of
with
room to grow with
HKC, and
HKC
I'm looking for
and
new
I'm looking
opportunities.
for new
I have a
opportunities.
lot of
I have a lot
experience
of
leading teams in the creative
experience leading
process
teams through
and
creative
finding new
process and
markets for the
finding new
products we
market
create.
from the product we
That's
created.
great.
That's good.
Can you tell me how you heard
Can you
about
tell
this
me how you
position?
heard about this
Of
position?
course.
Of
A
course.
friend of mine
A
saw the
friend of mine
position
saw
on
the position
LinkedIn
on
and
LinkedIn
forwarded
and
it to me.
forwarded it to me.
So I spent some
So
time
I
on your
spent some
website
time
learning
in
about the
your
position and the
website learning
company.
about the position and the company.
I also read an
I
article
also
in
read
Business
an
Weekly
article
about
in
your work
Business
that got me
Weekly
really
about work
interested.
safe. It got me really interested.
What attracted you to our
What
company?
attracted you to
To be
our company?
honest, what
Team
really
Onion is
caught
that
my
we were
eye
really
was your
caught my
focus on
eye is
growth.
focused
I
on
was really
growth. I
impressed
was
with your
really impressed
ambitious
with your
goals and the
ambitious
clear
goals
plan
and
you
the clear
have for
plan you
achieving
have
those
for
goals.
achieving those goals.
I also like
I
the
also
support you
like the
provide your
support you provide
employees.
to
I
employees.
love your
I
continuing
love your
education
continuing
initiatives where
education
you pay for
initiatives
employees
where
to
you
learn
pay
new
for employees to
techniques and
learn
skill sets.
techniques and skill
I
sets.
think that
I
really
think
helps
that really
build
helps
employee
to build
satisfaction
employee
and loyalty.
satisfaction and loyalty.
Well, you've